Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the chat where you want to send audio. Press and hold the microphone icon. That starts recording immediately. Speak clearly and keep the phone steady, because background noise reduces clarity. If you need hands-free, swipe up to lock recording. This frees your hand while you continue. Once done, release or tap send to deliver the message. Make sure to allow Telegram microphone permission in your device settings if recording fails. Once recording, you can manage the clip. Swipe up locks the session for long messages so you don't hold the button. Slide left before releasing to cancel if you change your mind. After sending, tap the message to play back and use built-in trim tools on mobile to shorten a clip. Add a text caption to clarify context. If you want better audio, use headphones with a mic or move closer to the microphone to improve signal-to-noise ratio. To finish, release the button or tap send. Telegram uploads the file and shows delivery ticks when received. You can play the voice message on another device to confirm audio quality and delivery. If recording fails, restart the app and verify microphone permissions in system settings. Force close and reopen Telegram if needed. Also check battery saver or privacy restrictions that block background audio. Once adjusted, try a short
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.